Hey everybody, Standell, President of Florida SunCoast BMW, hope you're well. Hey, here we are in Greer, South Carolina for the MIX. All of us came up today, had a bunch of folks come up, make the drive up from Florida. Long day, but a happy day. And we're here to tell you what's coming up on our calendar. So first one I'm gonna point to, PV, what we got coming up?
April 20, Saturday, Fort Myers Cars and Coffee. And look for Stan, he should be back by then.
And then on April 23rd, we have the Jacksonville meeting, dinner meeting, Al's group and everything up there. Come on out, that's always a blast. I know people are asking about it. Just hit the calendar. I know it's real short, but next Tuesday will be the Jacksonville meeting. So come on out and have a good time.
Hey, our next one is 5/4, May 4th. My birthday, Yoda will be at Cars and Coffee in Sarasota. Come out, we're gonna have a good time, and yes, we'll have more than 3 donuts.
That's right, and thanks Larry, appreciate that. And happy birthday, by the way. May the 4th be with you.
And with you as well.
Thank you, and thank you. And then, Rich, what we got coming up next?
Sunday, May 5th, we have our breakfast in Punta Gorda, actually Port Charlotte, I should say.
Yep.
At the relatively new Skillets there. We have the entire Pioneer Room. Please be sure to reserve a spot. We do ultimately have a capacity of about 30 people, so reserve early, reserve often. I'll see you there.
It's a fun time. It's a fun time, and I appreciate everybody coming out to that. And then we come back to May 7th. We'll just sort of dip our toe into May. May 7th, we have the St. Pete outing with Jeff's group and all that. So just had a great time last month. Come on back out. Should be a blast as well. We're gonna hang out here tonight, go to dinner, hang out with everybody at the BMW CCA office in the morning, and then head over to the Performance Center where we're gonna do a little testy drive, if you will, sort of wide open. A lot of fun tomorrow, some dinners, some drives and everything throughout the weekend. We'll have some pictures and other things to update you on that. But until then, as we always say, happy boating everybody. See ya. See ya. Bye now.